Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we have at hand. We are looking to create Kalpan Meier curves stratified by treatment and stage, with a specific request to shade the area between the curves belonging to the same stage. Quite an interesting problem, don't you think? Now, let's talk about the solution provided. One way to achieve this shading effect is by using a geometry_polygon. This involves duplicating the observations where the step occurs and arranging the data in the correct order, such as arranging one treatment group by time and the second in reverse order. By following this approach, we can effectively shade the area between treatment curves of the same stage, giving our plot a visually appealing look. In the code snippet shared, we first prepare the data by extracting the necessary information from the xrplot object. Subsequently, we manipulate and arrange the data to create the shaded areas between the survival curves. By utilizing the geometry_polygon function and the specified aesthetics, we are able to achieve the desired shading effect in our Kalpan Meier curves plot. It's all about playing around with the data and leveraging the functionalities of ggplot2 to enhance the visualization. To sum it up, shading the area between treatment curves of the same stage in Kalpan Meier curves can be achieved using the geometry_polygon function and proper data manipulation. It adds an extra layer of detail to the plot, making it more informative and visually appealing. So, give it a try in your own code and see the magic unfold. And remember, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Stay curious,